Hi everyone, ToyCollector TV here, and today I have this cute little snowman bag filled with surprise toys to open up. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, it feels like, yes, it's a blind bag. It's a Palace pet, and this is Series 1. I'm excited to open this because I don't have any Palace pets yet. Here's all the ones on the back that you can collect from this series. Oh, cute! It's a little kitty. So I have to look at the back to see who this is, and her name is Treasure. She's a cute little kitty cat, orange with pretty blue eyes and a purple tiara and a little purple necklace and this little blue decoration around her tail, and the tail moves back and forth. That's really cute. Let's see what's next. Awesome! Shopkins! Alright, let's check out these Shopkins. Alright, here's our first one. Oh, it feels like a familiar shape. Let's see what it is. Oh, I don't have this one actually. Now, is this Miss Twist? I have one in red. Yep, it's Miss Twist, but I don't have the one in green, so that's cool. Now I do. Alright, the next one we have... Oh, I thought that's what it felt like. Champy! I do already have a Champy, but that's okay. Now I have Champy twins. Alright, what else is in here? Oh, yes! Frozen stickers! I was excited to find these because a lot of times I just find the empty box and there are no stickers, but I found some stickers this time. Yay! So I'm excited to see which Frozen stickers we got. In case you haven't seen these before, there's 7 stickers in each of these packets here. So let's see which ones we got. If we can get it open. Come on. Ooh, I see Elsa. Oh. Okay, we've got part of Elsa. We've got Elsa's dress. Now I know that there's a book that these go in, so I guess this is like a 2-part sticker or something. But anyway, alright, so we've got Elsa's dress. Oh, we have this nice scene of Anna and Olaf and Kristoff and Sven headed up to Elsa's ice castle. That one's pretty. And here we have Elsa and Anna. And the next one, oh, here we have Olaf on the beach. Here's another half sticker. It's Hans's horse, I believe. Maybe this is where Anna's taking off on the horse to go find Elsa. And then we have, oh, little Olaf and Anna. And, oh, here's where Anna's dancing with Hans. Very cool. These stickers are really pretty. Next we have... Oh, yay! Hot Wheels! That's a cool looking car. This Hot Wheels is a really pretty blue color. It's got a pretty snazzy looking design on the top. It's like flames. Maybe we could have Treasure go for a little ride. What else is in here? Ooh, I think I know what this is. Yes! It's a My Little Pony Fashem. This is my first fashem, so I'm excited to open this too. These are cool. They're super squishy, it says. Let's get this My Little Pony opened. Let's try. There we go. Oh, and this is series 1. Oh, cute! Is this Fluttershy? Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. Like it says on the label, it's so squishy. It's funny how squishy it is. It's kind of like Jello or something. It just keeps moving even after you stop touching it. It's really cute. Here's a closer shot. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, what else do we have in here? Yes! More Frozen stickers! Oh, I think I tore one of them. Oh, yeah, I did tear one. That's okay. So this is the snow monster. And here's Anna with Elsa's hand on her. It looks like that's right after Elsa accidentally hit her with her ice powers. Oh, here's a pretty one. It's all sparkly. Elsa and Anna, Sven and Kristoff. I like that one. Here's Anna near the end of the movie. And here's Olaf lounging around dreaming about summertime. Oh, here's this one's really pretty. Anna, Sven, and Kristoff. And here's another one of Olaf. I think there is one more surprise in here. Yes! It's a Hot Wheels color shifter. This is my first color shifter. They are so cool. I've seen other people with them, so can't wait to take a look at this. So out of the packaging, this Dodge Viper is just a light green color. I've got some warm water here. Let's see. Oh, it changes even. I guess it changed a little bit. Changed to a lighter green color. It wasn't a big change, but alright, let's see what it looks like in the ice cold water. Alright, let's see. Ooh, that's a much nicer change. Yes! Woohoo! Now it's a green, a darker green this time. So now let's check it out in the warmer water again. Ooh, you can see it changing. That's cool. Oh, this is so cool. Comment below and let me know which surprise was your favorite. If you want to see more surprise toy videos like this, then please give this video a thumbs up to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!